Hi, my name is Shaivi and I've made this game in Python using Pygame. This is my first game, so I'm very excited to share this with everyone. The game is based on a Halloween theme and it is called as Haunted House. This is the main menu screen and there are three options. You can either play, go to the instructions page or quit. The rules of this game are simple. You are trapped in a maze which is haunted by ghosts. You have to move through the maze and reach the door to escape. If you get caught by the ghosts, then you lose. So let us start the game. This is the game screen and this is a maze and there are a lot of ghosts that are roaming around. I am using the arrow keys to control the player's movements. I am reaching the door, but I cannot pass through the door because I need a key, and this key can be found at the center of the maze. Oh no, I think I have lost because the ghosts caught me. And don't worry if you lose, you can always play this game again. Let us try one more time to get the key and escape out of the maze safely. And on your way you can always collect a lot of candy because it's Halloween. And yes, I have escaped and I've won the game. And you can see that I collected 7 candies on my way. This game was so much fun to make and I learned many new things by making this game. If you like this game and want to try it out, you can download the source code and play it on your computer. I look forward for feedback to improve this game. Thank you so much for watching the video.